Good morning, sir. I am Ravnath Burse. I am doing PhD in the subject of microbiology under the guidance of Dr. Hardi Joshi is my guide, and Professor S.V. Patil of VSI Pune is my co-guide. Dr. Dikshit is my course coordinator of this PhD pre-PhD coursework. I am submitting this presentation to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad, under the HRDC pre-PhD coursework 2021. Our problem. Biomethylation has emerged as a promising method of spent wash treatment in distilleries, and it is well established technology. The performance of biogas plants at present show average BOD reduction of 80 to 85% and average COD reduction of 60 to 65%. This performance is obtained for effluent having COD in the range of 1 lakh mg per liter to 1 lakh 20,000 mg per liter. But recently, integrated evaporation has emerged as potential and very effective technology for reducing the spent wash volume. Hence, the spent wash generated from integrated evaporation has COD in the range of 2,30,000 to 2,50,000 mg per liter. But what happens? Normally, biomethylation process cannot accept such a concentrated spent wash. So, it is necessary to develop biomethylation process that can accept such a very high strength waste. My idea behind this topic is acclimatization of organisms involved in biomethylation process. So methogens have a great capacity of adaptation to the environmental conditions. There are various biotechnological methods are available for microbial strain improvement. However, these methods have limitations for development of complex consortium involved in biomethylation. It is very difficult to isolate each bacterial strain present in the consortium on selective media, and further more difficult to modify each strain as per the requirements of biomethylation process. Hence, the strategy of acclimatization was used for development of microbial consortium involved in the biomethylation process in the current investigation. The bacterial consortium involved in this process was adapted to high soil containing spent wash. The methogenic diversity was acclimatized to high soils containing spent wash and fed to the bench scale, and subsequently to pilot bioregister was investigated in the present research topic. The sludge containing microbial consortium from biogas plant was used for acclimatization process. The native microbial consortium from biodigester was acclimatized by increasing the concentration of spent wash gradually from 20% to 30% to the soils. The working principle behind in this concept is acclimatization process. Just I have discussed with you. Microbes have a great capacity of adaptation to the environmental conditions. Hence, the strategy of acclimatization was used for development of bacterial consortia responsible for biomethylation process in the current research studies. Several mechanisms have been described to explain the acclimatization process. Adaptation may be the result of either internal changes in the predominant species of methogens or of a shift in the methogenic population. Once the microbes are adapted, they can retain viability at concentrations far exceeding the initial inhibitory concentrations. A study on acclimatization suggests that there is a selection and a multiplication of particular microbes developed during acclimatization. Once the microbes adapted, they can retain viability at concentrations far exceeding the initial inhibitory concentrations. Physiological transformations occur in the metabolic system to particular bacteria, which include alterations in the enzymatic level, regulation and production, as well as certain times mutations may take place in the population. Target outcomes behind this research topic. The developed acclimatized consortia of methogenic microbes in the bioregister were able to utilize high strength spent wash, resulting into maximum biogas generation. Based on the bench and pilot scale studies, it can be concluded that the developed acclimatized consortia of methogenic microbes is very effectively useful for utilization of concentrated spent wash. On bench scale, the control bioregister for field spent wash of 20 to 30% TDS containing spent wash shows maximum 43% COD reduction against 64% in the experimental bioregister. As compared to experiment bioregister, the control bioregister process was disturbed with less biogas generation. Thank you very much.